are often called one of the happiest animals in the world. They float, they play, they hold hands. But what many people don't realize is that an otter's joyful life is built on good choices and practiced skills. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about an amazing animal, the otter, and how they exemplify our sixth character equation. Goodness plus skills equal ability. As you watch this video, listen for these interesting words and think about what they mean. Habitat, environment, floating, skills, goodness, ability, adapted, tools, practice, choices, protect, and survive. Did you know there are 13 kinds of otters? And each one has a body and habitat that helps them survive where they live. Otters live in very different environments, which shapes how they move and survive. Sea otters live in the ocean, often floating in kelp forests. River otters live in freshwater rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Giant otters live in warm, tropical rivers like the Amazon. Small clawed otters live near streams and coastlines in Asia. Some otters live in cold water, some in warm climates, and some move easily between land and water. Otters live in oceans, rivers, and wetlands, and their bodies are built with the right skills for their environment. Strong tails, webbed feet, and clever paws. Just like otters use the right skills for their environment, we build real abilities when we use our skills in ways that fit the world around us. Otters live in places where land and water meet, along rivers, lakes, and oceans. These environments are beautiful, but they are also constantly moving. Water flows, waves rise and fall. Food hides beneath rocks and shells. To live well here, otters can't just be playful. They have to think well and make helpful choices about what is good or beneficial for themselves, their cubs, their family, and their whole community at the same time, just like we do. Every day, otters make choices about what they use. When an otter is ready to rest, it doesn't just wrap itself in any kelp. They look for strong kelp that won't snap or tear, so they can float safely while they sleep. That choice matters. Strong kelp keeps the otter from drifting away. It protects the otter while he or she rests. Choosing something strong, safe, and reliable, that's goodness. Otters also choose their food carefully. They don't just grab whatever is nearby. They look for healthy clams, good fish, and sea urchins that truly give their bodies energy. They choose food that is worth eating, food that helps them grow strong and stay healthy. That's goodness too. In this way, we are like otters because we must choose safe places to live and sleep, and we must choose healthy food to grow and cook and eat. It's about choosing what is beneficial. Now, let's look at otters' bodies. Otters are born with incredible potential. Their paws are sensitive and clever. They can feel shapes and textures. They can hold food carefully. Their teeth are strong enough to crack shells. Their bodies are built for swimming, floating, and diving. But even with these amazing bodies, young otters don't know how to do everything right away. They have to learn. Otter pups watch their parents closely. They watch how to dive. They watch how to hold food on their chests. They watch how to choose the right rock to crack a shell. Then they try. At first, it's clumsy. Shells slip, timing is off, but they try again and again. Their paws grow steadier, their movements smoother, their focus stronger. That's skills. Skills are not something otters are born knowing. They are something otters practice. When otters combine goodness, that's choosing strong kelp and nourishing food, with skills, that's practicing how to dive, crack shells, and care for pups, they build something powerful. They build ability to live safely in a moving world, ability to feed themselves, ability to care for their family group, ability to create a life filled with connection and joy. Otters don't just survive, they thrive. Maybe that's why a family group of otters is called an otter raft or an otter romp. Now, let's think deeply about us, our human family. Humans also live in a world full of movement and choices. We choose the food we eat, the materials we use, the tools we learn with, the habits we practice every day. Just like otters, we can choose things that are strong, healthy, and worthwhile, or things that don't really help us grow. When we choose good food, good tools, good materials, and good habits, we are practicing goodness. When we practice reading, writing, building, listening, creating, and solving problems, we're practicing skills. And just like otters, we don't get everything right the first time. Our hands learn, our minds learn, our focus grows. Over time, those choices and that practice build something lasting. They build abilities to learn new things, abilities to work with others, abilities to care for ourselves, abilities to help our families and our communities, abilities we can carry with us our whole lives. Just like the otters, when we choose what is worth using and practice using it well, we don't just get better at tasks. We build a life that's meaningful, a life filled with growth, connection, and happiness. That's the power of goodness plus skills equals ability. And just like the otters floating peacefully together, those abilities help us live with joy and share that joy with others. Did you listen for the interesting vocabulary words? Habitat, the place where an animal or person lives and finds what they need. Environment, everything around a living thing. Land, water, plants, animals, people, and weather. Floating, staying on top of the water without sinking. Skills, things you learn and practice to do something well. Goodness, choosing things that are helpful, healthy, or worthwhile. Ability, that's what becomes possible when skills and good choices work together. Adaptive, a body part or behavior that helps an animal live well in its environment. Tools, those are objects that help you do a better job, like paws, rocks, or hands. Practice, doing something well again and again to improve. Choices, decisions you make about what to do or use. Protect, to keep something safe from harm. Survive, to stay alive and healthy in your environment. So remember to keep thinking like an otter. Keep swimming forward, making good choices, practicing your skills, and building a life of helpfulness, happiness, and brilliant abilities that help you and others. Goodness plus skills equal abilities. And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all three to be healthy, happy, and free.
Until next